I think we are live. Maybe not. Yeah. How do I know if I... Yeah, I think I'm live for 34 seconds already. Maybe, so yeah. I'll try to put the chat out. Put it in here. Like that. Okay. Okay, so we can try to start. We can try to start by explaining what we want to do. We want to make a service that queries for that do a call into an API, and I think it's Gecko Coin or something. Yeah, CoinGecko. We are going to make this application that checks for the price of the bitcoins, right? The price of Bitcoin at each minute or so. Then we will set a threshold, so when the price of Bitcoin goes above or below this threshold, then it will send an alert to us by email or another thing like WhatsApp or something, right? That's the idea. And I think this CoinGecko has an API, a pretty good free tier. Let me put here in English. I think if yes, so I think we can go somewhere to check, like here, API. Yeah, crypto API. Let's try to get the API key. Well, I want the free tiers, so there is no free tier anymore. I remember it had. I was looking at it before. Let me just, I even did a note. Let me just check here. Let's see here. Yeah, I have this CoinGecko, yes, free tier with 30,000 API calls per month for free. I saw this earlier, so let's go here in pricing. Because the idea is it's really simple. We just try to do a curl into the API to get the value and yeah, periodically, and compare with the threshold. It should be really simple. What's the deal? Why can't I get the free tier? If I search for free, yeah, want to try effortlessly try CoinGecko API with free demo plan accounts. Let's try this. Yeah. Let me just do this really quick. I just want to try this out. Okay, so we have this message. Welcome to your developer dashboard. Okay, oops, I think I need to not show my key, so I think I was fast enough. Okay, I copied my API key. Then I will create a environment variable here to call it just a moment. I don't want to show this. Let me just put this here. It's CoinGecko. API key is this thing, and I will also do. I'll put CoinGecko API like this. Let me see if it works. Yes, okay, so I already have my API key in an environment variable, so it's all good. So let me just put it here. Okay. Coin price. Okay, click git get coin price button. Okay, so I need to call this. Oh, my API key was fuck. This is bullshit, right? Because I wasn't showing. It's really bullshit. Really bullshit. You see, it was supposed to be like this, but then, oh, whatever. I will delete this one and create another one. How can I do that? Delete. Yeah, so nobody can see anymore. Let me create a new one. More careful right now. Go, let's go. Okay, good. Now I just need to do the same thing again regarding the environment variable. Okay. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. Now, okay, I have this one, and let us see. User guide to get started. Yeah, I would like to see that message. I just need that URL. that appeared first, but now I don't have it. API documentation, user guide to get started. Let's try to see this fucking shit. How to manage API email. I just want to get the API endpoints. Where are the endpoints? Endpoints. Fuck. Endpoints. Come on. Should be fucking simple price. It's oh man, it's a lot of stuff, but the main thing, they don't put easy to access. Documentation, where is the fucking documentation? I really need to ask it here, like CoinGecko? Yeah. CoinGecko API URL to check price, current price. I would say Bitcoin price. Yeah, I think it's this one. Simple price, yeah. Okay, so let's try to copy this. Just go here. Okay, so we already have. We don't even need a fucking API, I think. Or I mean, API key. Let's see. So we do already have this. So we can make like curl. Yes. Okay, that's perfect. Maybe don't even need. I was thinking in a C application to do that, but maybe we don't even need this. Oh fuck! Just close the browser. Maybe we don't even need the API key. But let's see, because we can do, yeah, but it's fun. Yeah, let's do this. So we have here, I'll say Bitcoin, and we can try to create, I would say, tracker. So let's do in C because it's fun. Right, I think it is. So we can just fuck. Let's try not to quit. I can't type anymore. Yes, let's put our make to be a beauty script that I will create right now. So it is shebang. It will be BCC wall W. Let's put all the warning and extra warnings. Let's put debug symbols. Let's call tracker.c, right? I think is tracker.c. Then we can do make permission denied, yes, because we first have to what happened to my tracker. Yep. We just need to first do execution permission to tracker, not tracker, but to, let me remove it, to build.sh. Now we can make, what the fuck is going on? What? ZSH, what is that? Why didn't work? Why this didn't work? Build, right? Yes. Okay, it's working. Okay, now it's working. Good. We need to make a curl, really just a curl to this address. It should be simple. I think we have curl C library. I think we have that. Yes. So how can we use it? Let's check out this. I like to see examples. Many files in parallel. HTTP GET, not IPv6, but rather is HTTPS, I think. Right? It doesn't show anymore. I hate those. Yes, it's HTTPS. So if we have something like this, secure or HTTPS, yes, simple. Yes, that's what I want. So we can still code here. So we have to include this. So we can include curl.h, right? Okay, let's put it side by side, why not? And I can even do this here. Right, so we do curl global init, it can fail. We do the easy init, we set the options. I will skip this. If you want to connect to a site which is not user certificate, that is, I'll try to skip this. Okay, so let's try, right? So here, we don't need hello world anymore. So let's try to create our curl. This is a pointer, so I will need to free that later. Okay. Then we have curl results is curl global init. I hate this. Why it happens? Curl global if we can check if results, if not result, then turn result. Okay, yeah, maybe since it's not an integer, it's a curl code which is an integer. Well, I just leave it. Let's try to make it. Okay, so it's include unused variable. It's okay. I will use it in a moment. Right now, curl easy init. Now I will do if not curl, just return this, or rather I would assert. For that I will need to include assert. Right, so I will assert curl curl could not be initialized. Right, so it couldn't link. Okay, maybe we need to put in our build, we have to link with curl, I think. Right, so yeah, it's all good. So what we have here, we skip this bullshit. Maybe, yeah, we have to set the options, which just the URL. Right, so curl easy set opt set options. We pass the pointer and put curl opt URL and the address, which is this one. Let's put it here like that. Okay, and now we do here. Good. What else? I will skip those two. Cache the CS certificate bundle. Really, we really need to do that? I will try to not do that. Let's see. Let's see what happens and perform the request. Yeah, this should be easy. I will just copy and paste this. But this should be here. let's just try to get the result. Yeah, this will get us only the status code, but for now it's fine. We need to get the content, but for now it's fine like that. Then we can just clean everything up. I don't care because the program will just exit, so it doesn't matter if it leaks some memory. Let's try to make, yes, it compiles. Let's try to run. I think I call it tracker. Yeah, let's try to print out the result. So HTTP response code is the one there, result. So we should see 200. Nothing. Why not? Why don't we see anything? That's strange. Let's try to debug before, like that. Compile. Yeah, and is tracker, and we can run tracker. It doesn't print shit. Why is that? That's really weird. If I put this here, it should print, right? Of course. Yeah. And if let's put after init, make and tracker. Okay, it prints there. After, yeah. So yeah, that's the problem is when executing the perform. I suppose make first. Oh, it's not compiling. Okay, now it is. Yeah, it doesn't show shit. That's interesting. Okay, so maybe nothing. I didn't assert, no? What? I'm confused. Okay, so let's see. Curl. Then I do it. Yes, I mixed everything up. Yes, I mixed everything up. Because this one, it should be here. This one should be here. That goes first. We init and we assert that this is correct. Then we do the global init. I'm not sure if we need that. Oh, the global init is the first one. Man. Okay. Okay, so curl global init. Then we need to assert assert result, not curl. Result. Curl could not be initialized. Okay. Then we do easy init. I mean, whatever it is, global. Curl, then we assert that as well. Yeah. Yeah. Then we take this out and let's compile now. Okay, good. So we are getting in trouble with curl global init, the very first one. And why is that? Why is that? I mean, if result is, I have to assert if this is equal to curly. Okay. This must be equal to that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's fine. Now it went well. I just need to pass the API key. How it showed this, how it's interesting. Error code 403. I mean, it's surprising that it shows something. It's really surprising. If I comment this out and okay, please add a descriptive user agent to your request so we can see curl adding user agent. Curl libcurl. Okay, it's a set opt. So let's put a user agent. Curl easy set opt curl and curl opt user agent. This will be I don't know what to put on user agent in a custom get request. I see. Okay, so this will be tracker Bitcoin tracker 0.1 and that's it. Okay, but how this is going into this? How it is printing? I'm not printing anything. I'm not printing anything. So if I do this, yeah. So easy perform just prints already. But I don't want to do that. libcurl easy perform prints. Prints the received data directly to SD out. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay, to suppress this output or redirect it, use. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I have a push a pointer, which is a file descriptor in that case, but I want to capture in a variable. Write data. If I do something like, let's try. Let's just experiment. If I do something like this, data, but I know more or less the size of the thing, I'll put here 512 bytes, and I can maybe put this like write data, and I will pass here what the fuck, then I'll pass here the data. What's going to happen? And then I can print here data, which should be S data. Ooh, that's interesting. But doesn't look like it doesn't look like a string. Something, yeah. How to set output to a variable. This is sleep curve. In C. We have to create a callback function. Really? Yeah, I remember I did that once. It's a pain in the ass. I would rather capture the standard output than do this. It should have a simple way, no? Yeah, because, okay, I see. Okay, yeah. Because we have to put this thing there. And the buffer is the thing that we want to capture. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm lazy. I will just copy this. And I'll do like, yes, like this. I think I got it. Right, so you do this. Yes, it is a string. Okay, so you just do that. And buffer, it's the response that I want. Right, so I'll do this. Data. Like that. Write, how is it? Write data is, okay, I have to do this first. Let's here curl write function, write callback. I'll put this data here, and this would be response. What? you need to pass a function and buffer. Yes, this is the buffer. I suppose that is this. Yeah, so it should be okay. Okay, so static is not at beginning of declaration. Size t static. What do you mean? So it returns a size t, but it's not returning anything. Static is not at the beginning of declaration. Oh, I mean, it should be static first. Static size t like that. Yeah. The next one is this declaration of function as okay. I think it's string .h and no return. Yeah, that's correct. Maybe I don't know what to return here. I return 1. I don't care. I really don't care what it returns here. Now, yeah. So let's run it. Perfect. Yes. I mean, yeah, we are printing this. Yeah. So yeah. We got it. We have this as a response. So we need to parse it to grab this value here. And yeah, that's it. We're getting there. We are getting in there. So how can I parse this? The easiest thing would be to, this is a JSON. I could use a JSON parser, but will be pretty fixed all the time. I don't think this will change so much. So I can search for the second instance of how to call this column, and then grab the number after it. Yeah. So let me grab this and I will put here, like the form of the response is something like this, right? Can check for, I don't know what's 23. I was expecting the response code to be 200. So I can what are the codes of curl results, whatever. Yeah, like this. Right here. That's really strange. 23. But it... Well, I don't know. Let's maybe just check if data has something. I will just check if data has something. Like... Yeah, I should be asserting this. I will just copy. It is really weird. Curl requests. I mean, just code. Code not make request or something like that. And it didn't even print. Even if I put it before the assert. That's well, whatever. I will not assert that. I will just assert data. Like that, and it should be fine. Yeah, so it's good enough for me. So we need to use the, how to call it, str find. I don't remember. Compare, no. Str search, find, compare. I forgot how to search for a character in that string in C. String sure. String sure. String sure. Then if I do it again, yeah, it's something like that, yeah. So, still sure. Returns upon the first occurrence of the character in C. To the last occurrence of the character in C string, yes. Okay, so I will use that. For me, it's good enough. Is the reverse sure, right? So I will do this. It will return a pointer to the first occurrence of the character. occurrence str reverse char of data, and is this symbol here. Let's print this motherfucker. Char occurrence is char. It will print the thing. This is an int. Yeah, that's okay. I see. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but it will be a pointer. Let's try to do this. OC. Right. Yes. So make a bunch of arrows. Okay, I forgot to put this here. Expression. Yeah, this is a semicolon. Like that. And tracker. Yes, that's correct. Then I need another pointer to the first occurrence of this closing thing. Yeah, it's hacky, but I don't mind. Yeah. So this is begin, and this is end. And like this is the first one, the first occurrence of this closing. Then I will take substring between those two, which we should have something. No. How to take a substring in C? Start and length. Yeah, I can use pointer arithmetics here. Yeah, so I think, yeah, okay, so let's use string and copy. Yeah, that's what I want. String and copy. This destination, source, and size. That's it. Yeah. So I have here size will be and minus begin. Then I have this price. It won't be more than 10, so I can even put 20, and it will be 0 initialized, so it should be no problem to end the string. And I will use this, but it has a destination and the source, so what it returns. returns destination. Okay, whatever, I can even just put price. Source is data and is size, right? Yes, is that size. Like that. And we can print price. Price will be price. So let's just check. I mean, you like that. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, because in this case it's from the beginning, but destination, what's the difference here? Yeah, this should be enough for me. Yeah, but this is only a view. It's only a view. Yeah. Yeah. I was looking for this one. I remember this. Yeah. But I can use main copy. I can use main copy. Oi.
Olá.
I can use main copy. Oh, I see. I can use this one as well. Because this, the beginning can be, I mean, this here is data plus beginning, right? Yes. Yes. Okay, we have to because begin is a pointer, okay, and data, it's also a pointer. Why it's not working? Invalid operands to binary. How to make pointer arithmetics with this? How to make pointer arithmetic with this. Okay, I see. Am I being crazy, or this is like this or something like that? Then we have to get the address. This is a pointer. We need the address like this. I always get confused on this. It should be no, it's come on. Because if I have 2 pointers, you see, let me comment this out. Let's comment this out. And do something. I have, this is beginning, which is a pointer, and like this, right? And end as well, and we have, I want a number out of it. Let's just compile this for now. Make whatever is unused. Who cares? Yeah, okay, I don't care. Trace tracker. Okay, yeah, 2 pointers. And the difference between them, it's an integer. So how can I express this difference? Let's put here diff is an integer bag plus minus n, like that. It's a long integer, okay, but whatever. Okay, so if I want data plus beginning, yeah, this won't work, but and it works. Not really, but minus works. 1 1 1. Beginning as a character. Come on, really easy, come on. It's already here. I see. Here is beginning, and here is size. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Price. Yeah. Like that. Let's recover some buttons. It works. There's the price, but I beg +1. I can't do +1, right? But I can do this. I can do this. Yes, and -1. Pretty hacky, pretty hacky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Then I can even, I'll call this price like that, and let's create the real price, which is integer price. Where is a toy from? stdlib. stdlib. .h. I think it's better this way. Yes, like this. Good. Now it's an integer. Perfect. That's it. Done. This is just to get the price. Then I can put this in a function. I can put this in a function to return an integer. Get Bitcoin price, like that. Can be even and return price. Okay. So price Bitcoin price equals get Bitcoin price, like that. I'll call it BC. I'll call it Bitcoin. Bitcoin price. Yeah. Yeah, it's unused, I know. Okay. So we need to get from the arguments the threshold. So let's get the arguments. If maybe we do like this. If argc arg right, then next I can return, no, I'll do void next. I need argc, argv, I need argc, I need argv, and the return will be the name. Or rather, value is better. Okay, so if argc is 0, it means that there are no arguments left. We just return. Or rather, yeah, we can show usage, but it's not the responsibility of this function. Okay. Then here it means that it has arguments, so we can do value str copy. Let's see, I think it's destination, source, right? It's always +1 because if it's 1, no, it's not +1, it's 0 returns. If it's not 0, it's, yeah, it's 1. argc, I think that's it, or this is str dupe. What's the difference between str copy and str dupe? Okay, so what is str dupe? Okay, we need to free this. So this one, yeah, I won't free anything, so I think we can do like this. And we are copying, then we have to do in argc. I think that's it. Then we do next argc rb, and I'll call this value as well. Then I can check if I can say if it's dead, then can I say value equals new? I don't know. Maybe I can. If not value, then I mean, let's use assert. It has to be a value, or otherwise there is no more arguments. This is bullshit, but we can fix that later. Yeah. So if I do this, if I compile this, array subscript is not an integer. What? Oh yes, of course, this is actually the reference this, and this argc is like that. The address of value you always evaluate as true. Okay, so yeah, of course, because of this. So I can use, maybe it's better to use dupe, but I have to remember to free it. What's the best way of doing that? So I really wouldn't like to use strdupe. Whatever, why not? So we can do dupe. Like that. We don't need to pass these anymore. Then we just if I can do this result or value, do this. I mean, I just can do the opposite and do like this, and I return the pointer, then I don't need to pass this, and here is value, like that, and yeah, and here I just return new, and here is sharp, pointer to sharp, like that. I should put a usage function here, it's better. Void usage. We can put like maybe we can accept argv, right, like that, and just print usage. And this threshold price. For now it's just that. And here I do if not value, then we can just call usage argv, and I forgot to put it in here, argv 0. Unused variable. Okay. Now, if I call trace, I expect a usage. No, not really. Why not? Because RDC is 1. Okay, yeah. So this should be 1. Should be 1, and here is -1. But let's see. Yeah, it is. It really is. If yes. Okay. If it's that, I can printf value. Yeah, so here is +1. Why not? It's because if I don't put any argument, RDC is 1. If I don't put any argument, RDC is 1. But if I put one argument, RDC is 2. Then it will get 2, but this starts with 0, so it's -1. It is -1. Oh, but I already did it here, so I don't need to do it. So this should work. Oh fuck. Tracker. So this should work. Value equals tracker, but it should be really 23. It should be really 23. And if I go next again, and if I go next again, let's just use this variable here so we don't get this warning anymore. And I'll say price /m Bitcoin price, and okay, we have to put here minus threshold, right? So next is this thing. Then if value is equal to -tr, then what is that? Why this is red? Oh yes, of course. If it's equal to tr, then I will need another one. I will need this. Then this will be the threshold. The threshold. And if this is null, then I say expected threshold value, then visit or return -1. Okay, after I parse these arguments, I'll call it a day. Right, and yeah, so now at this point, yes, I should have price here, so I can have integer price or rather threshold, which would be 0 first, but here I will get tr is this, need to be just this. I can do the error treatment or the error handling later. For now, we can get rid of that, right? Yes, I can even put this here, and we can print the price and the threshold. Like that. We'll put like this here, and here will be threshold. Oof, okay. Let's compile without warnings. That's good. Yes, I was expecting an error, but never mind. 139, what the fuck is that? Shall we turn it 139? I have no idea. Build tracker. Oh, it's a segmentation fault, of course. Break main run. I mean, let's just run. Where is it? Okay, so I'm using the SCR comparison wrong. Perhaps. No, it's correct. String 1, string 2, and they are 0. Value. Okay, I have to check if it's new or not. First. If I deleted the line. I don't have it anymore. Okay, so if value if not value. Show usage and quit. And turn mental. Right, then make I just open, I think, a new thing. It's better. Projects, Bitcoin and tracker build. To few arguments. Okay, because we need to pass argv here, argv, like that. Oh man, I'm really tired. Okay, build, so tracker, show the usage. If I do garbage here, it do segmentation. Okay, it shouldn't, because if I put one, well, I don't know. Okay, it's doing segmentation fault here because I have to call next. No, I haven't. Let's print f value here first. S value. Why is that? Build tracker tr 23. What? Yeah, tracker. Oh man. What? We are get segmentation fault in here, right? Why? Why? Because oh yes, because I don't free the thing. Yeah, I see. No, I don't see. Okay, so let's try to understand that better. Let's do this. What? Run again. TR11 goes to next. Inside next. argc is 3. So argv. Argv. That's it. I think that's the thing. Argv. 0. One, 2. I'll give you 1 minus tr. 0 is tracker. argc is 3. Now argc. Oh yeah, this is terrible. I have to do this. It's a fucking pointer. It's a fucking pointer. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, that's good. Value 33, threshold 0 is incorrect. It's incorrect. So let's put a new line here. So value is 23. Okay, so it's nothing. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I don't want to pass argc as a pointer. I have to have a global somewhere here, like number current argument, current argc, right? And this is static. Then if current argc is 1, it goes out, and here I increment current argc plus 1, and here yes, I put current argc. That's it. I don't even need this. Yeah, because I need it because I do if this is argc. If it's the same, and actually this is plus 1, something like that. Yeah, and then now here is normal, and I don't even need to, yeah, it's like that. And here as well, there's another call to, yeah, here. Okay, good, yeah, it's okay now. Okay, we could finish this. Yeah, we got the price from the internet, and we got the threshold from the command line arguments. Then the next thing we need to do is do the infinite loop, where we check periodically for this threshold. We get the price from the internet, and we check against the threshold. If it's below that or greater, it's another flag that we need to get from command line argument. We send the alert to the user, and this is an infinite loop because it will run as a daemon with systemctl, right? So that's it, and bye.